Hi, my name is Pearl Sanchez, and we are discussing the cow's eye today. The dissection was a success, and I'm going to show you some parts of that. I am going to start off by saying I accidentally threw away the vitreous humor, but since it's not here, I might forget about it, so I want to make sure to show you that and indicate. I'm looking down at the eye here. But it was within the posterior cavity. Let me see if I can. But it was basically in here before I took out the lens. But it was in here. A little bit was on both sides, but it was gelatinous. Kind of like the white of an egg. So that is the vitreous humor in the posterior cavity. And let's see, I'm going to go in order of my list here. So here we have the cornea, the iris, the pupil, and on the other side there, oh, let me try again here, the lens. Okay, and then the sclera, the retina. Not all of it is there. Some of it got pulled off and thrown away, but that was the retina. And that choroid layer, that's that black choroid layer. And the anterior cavity was basically, is here, that space anterior to the lens, and that space had the aqueous humor in there. And then finally we have, let's see if I can see, maybe that way, the optic nerve. And that about covers it. I hope you're able to see everything okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.